notice that in America, some streets are cut off from large vehicles. So if I wanted in the Tango, we couldn't go through here. Now, this happens from time to time too, that you'll see somebody parked very arrogantly. And for a normal car that'd be a problem, but of course I can just park right next to it.
Now this is what I saw in the UK. Maybe it's even the one. It's a Tesla. Next to a Tango. At the Tango dealership, at the Tesla dealership. Look at that. I don't know. It's a bit much having two electric cars in front of me at one go. You know, it's not. You're not used to that.
Well, you know, inside there's even more.
Let's take a quick look in there. Yeah, this one looks like it's come straight out of Hethel actually, because there's nothing in it.
Possibly. And of course, the next one very clearly is just something to test the actual shape of the body.
Yeah.
All right. Great.
Look at this, a Tesla showroom. Customer cars here. That's quite a nice colour actually. So how many do you think they've sold now?
If you notice, actually, if these are Founder Series cars, so they're just about to start having customer cars come out, and the first 100 are called the Signature 100.
Yeah. Is that what you're going to get?
Yeah, I'm number 9 on that list.
Number
9.
Are you?
Yeah, I found out that apparently Clooney's number 8, so we beat me again by 1.
Yeah, this is one of the first 100 cars. Remember the Founder Series of Tesla cars, so that's great. So out here you can see the workshop for Tesla as well. One, two, three, 4 here. It's amazing to think that we're in an electric vehicle dealership, a proper dealership. You know, in the UK, just haven't seen this yet. Actually thinking you can come into a dealership like any other car and choose an electric car. It's a good thing to see.